Adjectives are essential components of the English language. They provide vivid descriptions and enrich our understanding of nouns. In essence, adjectives modify nouns, offering a clearer picture of their qualities, attributes, or quantities. By adding detail, adjectives make our language more precise and engaging. Consider a simple sentence like, "The cat sat on the mat." While grammatically sound, it lacks vibrancy. Now, introduce adjectives. The sleek black cat lounged gracefully on the fluffy red mat. The transformation is immediate. Adjectives breathe life into language. They transform mundane descriptions into captivating imagery. By understanding and utilizing adjectives effectively, we unlock a world of descriptive possibilities. Let's delve into the practical application of adjectives with illustrative examples. The sentence "the dog barked" is quite plain. However, by incorporating adjectives, we can paint a more vivid picture. The furry brown dog barked loudly provides a richer understanding of the dog's appearance and the intensity of its bark. Here, furry and brown describe the dog's coat, while loudly modifies the verb barked. Similarly, consider the sentence "she bought a dress." Adding adjectives transforms it into "she bought an elegant red dress." Now we understand the dress's style and color. These examples showcase the power of adjectives in transforming simple sentences into descriptive and engaging ones. By carefully selecting and incorporating adjectives, we can elevate our writing and communication. Adjectives are not a monolithic group. They encompass various types, each serving a distinct purpose. Understanding these categories is crucial for using them effectively. Descriptive adjectives, as the name suggests, describe qualities of nouns. For example, beautiful, tall, delicious, and smooth all fall under this category. They provide sensory details, enriching the reader's or listener's experience. Quantitative adjectives deal with quantity, specifying how much or how many. Examples include to, several, many, and few. These adjectives are particularly useful in providing precise information. Demonstrative adjectives such as this, that, these, and those point to specific nouns. They are essential for clarity and avoiding ambiguity in sentences. By recognizing and utilizing these diverse types, writers and speakers can add depth and precision to their language. While adjectives primarily precede nouns, their positions can vary, influencing the meaning and flow of sentences. Understanding these nuances is crucial for grammatical accuracy and stylistic finesse. In most cases, adjectives appear directly before the nouns they modify. For instance, in "the blue car sped away," the adjective blue clearly describes the noun car. This is the most common and natural word order. However, adjectives can also follow linking verbs such as is, am, are, was, and were. In "the sky is blue," the adjective blue describes the subject sky, linked by the verb is. While less common, adjectives can occasionally appear after the nouns they modify. This structure, often found in poetry and literary works, adds a touch of formality or emphasis. For example, "the warrior, strong and fearless, charged into battle." Mastering adjective placement allows writers to craft grammatically sound and stylistically sophisticated sentences, enhancing clarity and impact. Section 5. Comparisons, unveiling comparative and superlative adjectives. Adjectives play a crucial role in comparisons, allowing us to express degrees of qualities. Comparative and superlative forms are essential for indicating relative differences between nouns. Comparative adjectives compare two things or groups. They typically end in "er" or use more before the adjective. For example, taller, more beautiful, faster, and more intelligent all indicate a higher degree of the adjective compared to something else. Superlative adjectives, on the other hand, express the highest degree of equality among three or more things or groups. They usually end in "est" or use most before the adjective. Examples include tallest, most beautiful, fastest, and most intelligent. These forms add nuance and precision to comparisons, allowing for clearer and more impactful communication. Section 6. Irregular comparisons, navigating exceptions to the rule. While many adjectives follow the standard rules for forming comparatives and superlatives, some exceptions exist. These irregular adjectives require memorization, as their forms do not follow predictable patterns. For instance, the comparative and superlative forms of good are better and best, respectively. Similarly, bad becomes worse and worst. These irregular forms are deeply ingrained in the English language and are essential for natural-sounding comparisons. Other examples include little, less, least, much, more, most, and far, farther, further, farthest, furthest. These exceptions demonstrate the complexities and nuances of the English language, highlighting the importance of understanding its intricacies. By familiarizing ourselves with these irregular forms, we can avoid grammatical errors and ensure accurate and natural-sounding comparisons in our writing and speech. Section 7. Descriptive Power. The impact of adjectives in writing. Adjectives possess immense power in shaping the reader's experience and conveying the writer's intended meaning. They transform bland prose into vivid imagery, engaging the senses and evoking emotions. Consider the difference between the man walked through the forest and the weary traveler stumbled through the dense, shadowy forest. The addition of adjectives like weary, dense, and shadowy creates a more immersive and evocative experience for the reader. Skilled writers utilize adjectives strategically, selecting words that not only describe but also enhance the tone, mood, and overall impact of their writing. By carefully choosing and placing adjectives, writers can paint vivid pictures, evoke emotions, and leave a lasting impression on their audience. Section 8. Mastering Adjectives. Tips for Effective Usage. While adjectives are powerful tools, their overuse or misuse can clutter writing and diminish their impact. Mastering adjective usage involves understanding when and how to utilize them effectively. Firstly, choose adjectives judiciously. Not every noun requires modification. Select adjectives that contribute meaningfully to the sentence, providing essential information or enhancing imagery. Secondly, vary your adjective choices. Relying on common adjectives like good, bad, or nice can make writing sound bland and repetitive. Explore synonyms and consider more evocative alternatives. Thirdly, avoid overloading sentences with too many adjectives. While descriptive language is valuable, excessive adjectives can overwhelm the reader and hinder clarity. Strive for a balance between description and conciseness. By following these tips, writers can harness the power of adjectives effectively, creating impactful and engaging prose that captivates the reader's imagination. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the significance of adjectives. Adjectives are not mere embellishments, they are integral components of the English language, adding depth, clarity, and vibrancy to our communication. From describing simple objects to conveying complex emotions, adjectives play a crucial role in enriching our understanding of the world around us. By mastering the various types, placements, and forms of adjectives, we unlock a world of descriptive possibilities. Effective adjective usage empowers us to communicate with precision, paint vivid pictures with words, and leave a lasting impression on our audience. As we continue to explore and appreciate the nuances of the English language, let us embrace the power and significance of adjectives in shaping our thoughts, expressions, and understanding of the world.